welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well.
Very quick, new Look Fantastic box.
Yeah.
Because I think
Mum
it comes early.
She's cancelled Bert's box.
Cancelled. So we just got this one now.
So we have Look Fantastic.
Oh, it's orange.
How much is Look Fantastic? Because you've signed up for a 12-month.
It's 15 including postage.
And you get a copy of
Elle magazine, which I have actually recycled and let Patricia have.
That's very nice of you.
Because she likes looking at those.
So Look Fantastic. You can get it. Yours is cheaper because it's £15 if you do a rolling contract, just once a month.
Yeah.
But you got yours for like $13.75 or something, didn't you? Because you did a year contract.
Yeah.
Something like that. I'll link it all down below.
Yeah.
What's your quote this month, Mum?
Right, the quote in here says, if I can read it,
it's very hot.
Sunshine is the best medicine.
Do you agree?
Depends if you're ill.
Well, you go to India every year for a month.
Yeah,
so
but I'm not ill. I just like
maybe
going.
That's why.
Yeah, maybe.
So
I go there.
She's got her copy of Elle magazine.
Yes, look.
Which retails for like $4.99 or something ridiculous.
Yes, and I think that is silly.
I wouldn't pay that for a magazine.
And,
the September sneak
look,
peek.
would you go out in your dressing gown?
I have done.
No, but
Many times. I have done many times to Tesco's. Comment down below if you've gone out in your dressing gown.
Do those people think they look like?
Mum doesn't understand fashion.
No, these people don't either.
No, but it's like couture fashion.
I don't care.
It's not what we'd wear.
Right, okay.
So September sneak peek is Molten and Brown, Orange and Bergamot Bath and Shower Gel. That sounds nice.
I'll use that.
That sounds lovely. Everyone always moans I forget to do the sneak peeks. So this edit is, are you ready for the hottest summer ever?
That was last year.
No, it was 30. We got the hottest.
Yes, but it was longer last year, wasn't it?
I know, but I'd rather it wasn't. I'm happy that it stopped.
I'm just glad it didn't rain on Saturday.
It was Mum's birthday party. This month we're embracing the long warm days while avoiding sunburn at whatever the cost. Our August Heat Wave beauty box contains 6 summer essentials, helping you to switch up your daily look and discover some of the beauty saviours to help beat the heat.
Well, let's see what we've got in the old box then.
I am sweaty.
Right.
Go on,
right, okay, I'm going to crack open the sticker, which I'll do very carefully. There we go, look at that. How neatly was that done? Right, okay, in the first thing we have got a brush.
So,
this is a brush.
A Luxie. It's a highlighter brush, which you won't use.
It's a brush.
And it's £26.50.
It's not. It's not.
It is.
It isn't.
It is.
No way would anybody in their right mind.
People would.
No, they wouldn't.
Yes, they would.
No, they wouldn't.
They pay more than that for some brushes. Comment down below what is the most expensive brush that you've ever paid for.
The world has gone completely loopy.
But that's what it is. So this is an illuminate your natural glow with this highlighter brush. With a tapered shape, the 737 brush helps to emphasise high points on the face. Featuring long soft bristles combined with an ergonomic design, the Luxie 737 helps to blend powder seamlessly onto the skin.
It's very soft.
It's for highlight.
It's a bit like stroking the cat.
Yes. Made of Clive hair.
I hope not. But £26.50 for that. Well,
I knew that was going to be the reaction.
They are having a laugh.
That isn't even a very expensive brush.
Okay. Well, we'll put that cheap brush away.
Okay, go on then. Oh, I think you've got a highlighter palette.
Hold on, look. Natura Herb Infused Sheet Mask.
This is £4.95. And this is just a sheet mask.
Now that looks like it might
Blemish control.
That might be quite interesting.
And it's got mint, I think.
Oh, I love minty things.
Herbs and vitamins. I'm assuming because that is mint,
that looks
isn't
like
it?
mint.
So yeah, it's a herbs one. It looks like mint, rosemary, and coriander or parsley.
Don't know what the other one
Doesn't say what it is, but it just says it reduces enlarged pores and brightens the complexion.
Oh, that'll do me fine then,
lovely.
Won't it? Oh, I bet that'll smell minty and nice.
That'll be nice.
Yes, I like that.
You'll have to send me a picture of yourself.
Now we've got something wrapped in bubble wrap.
This is the highlighter palette, I think.
Oh.
Wait for a reaction on the price on this.
A Bella Pierre. Do you like that?
Yeah.
Bella Pierre Cosmetics Heat Wave
highlighting palette.
Yes.
This Look Fantastic Beauty Box exclusive contains 5 stunning and buttery colours. This palette can be used for strobing, a subtle highlight, or to add a wash of colour to your eyes. And this is $29.99.
No, it's not.
It is. Bella Pierre.
I don't care if it's Mickey Mouse. Who's Bella Pierre when they're
It's
at
a brand.
home? I've never heard of them.
Well, you've got highlighters from them before that I've given you, and you've got a lipstick.
Are they good?
Yes.
Wait, what do I do?
Do you want to put your highlighter on? Look, well...
What do we do with... No, don't you dare mess my new brush up.
It's what it's for.
No.
Mum, it's what it's for.
No.
I'll get one of my highlighter brushes
yours,
then. Christ on a cracker.
Goodness me, I never taught her to say that. She's made that herself.
What, Christ on a cracker?
Yes.
Would you rather have said something else?
No, I don't like you
Fucking
swearing.
hell.
Oh, Lucy, I don't like you swearing. You know that.
Oh.
And you shouldn't swear in front of the children.
But how many times have you ever sworn in front of me?
Never.
Exactly. And then look at me. So that has nothing to do with it.
There you go.
Exactly.
Right, okay. What are you going to do to me?
This is my highlighter one.
Look at this, eh?
I'm just going to...
Demonstrate. Excited. Have you done anything yet? Have you put
Turn to
anything?
the side. Oh, it's pretty. Can you see?
No.
I can see it in the camera. Look, turn to the side. Look.
No, I can't see it. What are you doing it with?
It's highlighter. Turn to the other side.
Why do I need highlighting?
Because everyone needs highlighter.
Why?
Because it's lovely.
If you were supposed to have had it, you'd have been born with it.
What's this on your lips?
Lipstick.
What's on your eyebrows?
Okay.
That's really nice.
So,
And you could use this, like, if you wanted to, you could put a little bit on your eyelid.
to make it shiny.
Yeah, so it's like an eyeshadow.
Oh, that's all right then.
So
I
it's
don't mind that.
Double use product.
So that's a good thing to have, is it?
Yeah, it's lovely.
Okay, thank you. So she's just put all these little lines on her hand.
Swatches.
Let me put it back in its
Really
little
pretty.
thingy. It doesn't really need to go back in
No,
there,
it
does
doesn't.
it? But I'll put it back just in case it gets
I would
dropped
put
on.
highlighter on myself, but I'm so
Right,
sweaty.
ready for the next one?
I don't need any.
Ready for the next one?
Can you see your highlighter? Turn to the side.
I suppose so. It
See?
highlights all my wrinkles,
It's cheekbones.
doesn't it? See, if
Cheekbones.
I had them, I could have them going like this. Look, what? Go like that, you see, and they will go.
You've got some filler in them, but that would involve needles in your eye.
No. Or polyfiller.
Or polyfiller.
This is a box here.
What's this one?
I don't know, I can't read it. What does it say?
Vita Liberata Beauty Blur Skin Tone Optimizer Tint. So this is latte.
So is it like a tinted moisturiser?
It says prep and perfect the skin with this moisturising formula that works as a primer and self-tanner.
Ooh, look.
£12.
What, that?
Yeah.
No, this must be a sample.
Nope. Don't think it is anyway. You gonna put some on your hand and see?
I can do, if you want me to.
You can see what it's like.
Got stuck in the box
Be able to see if it's got any dimethicone in it.
Any whaty?
Dimethicone,
What's
like
that?
silicone stuff. That might be a bit. You might be all right with that colour.
Can't see it.
That's what it's for.
What's the point of putting it on then if you can't see it? Look, you can't see it.
Yeah, it's got dimethicone. So does it feel like silicone on your hand?
Does it?
Yeah.
Is that good?
No, it's just some people don't like it, but
Doesn't bother me. I could put
It doesn't
concrete
bother
on my
me.
face and it wouldn't make any difference.
But it like fills your pores.
Right, that's back.
Yeah.
Right, and that's the instructions. And then the last thing.
No, you've got two more things in here.
Oh yes, I have them. So there's a little thing here. This looks like a lippy.
A deuce.
Is it?
Deuce.
Don't know. Oh yes. I'm not sure what it is.
It is a luscious lip stain and holiday getaway, and this looks like a colour that I will like.
This
not
definitely
Mum.
looks like your colour. You can
Mum
try it
does
out,
not
darling,
like
then.
oranges.
No.
Or nudes.
Crack it open.
And this is £11. Let's have a look.
Yeah, that's definitely a U colour.
Yeah, it's not a U colour. Mum is currently sporting MAC Lady Danger for anybody that wonders.
That's because I'm dangerous. Are you going to put it on?
No, because I've got no makeup on whatsoever.
Put
And
your
I'm
lippy on.
sweaty.
Put it on.
Pass me a mirror then.
Where is the mirror? Oh, here, this thing. This is the mirror.
It is a mirror. Oh, that is a me colour.
That is a U colour, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. This is like the last colour you would ever wear, isn't it?
Caroline would wear that, I think. Oh yeah, that's a definite U colour, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Feels nice.
Does it?
It's really light, like
Well,
really
you can have
lightweight.
that then, darling.
What did it actually say? Oh, it's on the floor, so it's dead now.
No, it's not. I've picked it up.
Thanks.
There.
With a highly pigmented base colour that lasts all day, it's a vibrant coral lip stain.
That does look nice, doesn't it, on her?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, very. Now you look like a cod. Right.
This is a really good box.
It is. I'm very impressed with this.
How many times did she ever say that with Birchbox in like 2 years of having it? We can go back and look through the videos. At no point did you ever say, I'm very impressed with this
And this
box.
last thing
Rituals.
is a Rituals Cream On Nourishing Body Cream.
Bring a splash of colour to your bathing regime with this luxurious body cream that softens and conditions. Infused with flamingo flower and pink grapefruit, it is effortlessly absorbed into the skin.
Ooh.
Oh, that smells lovely.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh dear.
You've got lots of lovely stuff this time.
Yeah, haven't I? Gosh, what a lucky bunny.
And if this had been a different colour,
I'd have had
you should have had that as well.
And look, there's a little
Silica.
silica gel packet as
Yes.
well. That's it.
Happy?
Yes, are you?
Oh, it's your box.
You've got a lipstick. You should be happy.
Not that I wear makeup anymore.
Well, you will do once you get this baby here, won't you?
Ellen's not a sweaty mess.
No. Well, one day you won't be. One day you'll be back to normal.
And not a sweat,
Whatever normal
a sweat
is.
monster. Are you happy with it then?
Yes,
Are you
I'm
very
very
happy that you swapped from
Yes,
Birchbox?
it's much better quality box as
Yeah,
well.
you get lots of nice skincare and everything is a good size.
Yes.
And
Ta-da!
yeah.
Very nice.
So Mum's going to do the outro.
Am I?
Yeah, you always do the outro.
Right, okay, thank you very much for watching this today. Yes, you can watch it next time when I get the next box. And I'm sure Lucy will do lots of other little interesting videos.
She's
if
not.
she has time between now and the impending birth.
Yeah, don't say when it is because I'm not telling anybody.
The aforementioned baby, which we don't know what its name is because she won't tell me.
Because you can't keep a secret.
I did.
How many people did you tell when I told you Mika's name?
One.
No, at your birthday party, your 60th birthday party, you admitted to telling about 17 people.
Well, I don't remember. It's too long ago.
Oh, I'm so old. I can't remember anything.
I can't. It's too old. So, yes, if you enjoyed watching this, press the little button thingy that says subscribe and like and all those sort of things. And I'm sure she will be back up to full strength.
Next time your box is here,
yes,
the baby will be here.
We can put the baby in the box.
Yes.
Yes.
We probably won't do that because that's just mean.
No.
But yeah, the next Look Fantastic box, if it arrives,
we can.
It'll be. The baby will be here.
Yeah, it will be. Well, it will arrive.
He'll definitely be here. But yeah,
not. Perhaps it might come because it will do.
Yeah. The baby will be here for the next video.
Yeah. So that'll be nice, and we can hold him here and show you.
Yeah, and then Mum will be able to tell you his name because she'll be all excited.
If they've told me what it is.
Yeah, we might not. We might not.
I just have to call it baby.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or Gavin.
Right. Or Gavin.
Gaviscon.
Gavin.
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 Yeah. All right then. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.